Hello, dear friends. Let's start our weekly webinar, weekly market overview. Right, please. Right, please, into the chat. Do you hear me correctly? If yes, that will be a signal that we can start. Okay, guys, into right exactly into the chat about hearing me. Right, right, please. Do you hear me or no or not? If yes, let's go on. Okay. Let's start our weekly market overview. As always, I do it from major currency pair. Let's do it from oil. Let's do it from Euro USD. Okay. First of all, I want to show you some examples of my last week. Here on my Telegram channel, I have sent examples how I closed my trading week. You can open my Telegram and find it. Take a look. It is 3,000, 3,000, 2,000, 2,000, and 1,900. On all these four accounts, approximately I closed 10,000 of profit per last week. If you want to get the same, write to me about education, VIP signals, or account management or profit sharing basis. Here is a context. You can use it under this. I'm sending this context for you into the chat. Okay, let's go on. We spoke about Bitcoin. Let's speak about Euro USD and what's going on. On Euro USD, situation really changed because daily candle. Take a look. Daily candle made powerful down move and didn't make a fake broke of this tail. It's a signal of uncertainty because if there would be a fake broke, that would be for us a really good buy signal. At this moment, it's not good signal because price, as we saw a few days ago, a few seconds, trend line. I want to build a trend line. Oh my God, why I can build a trend line, friends? Dear trading you, I want to build a trend line. Okay, good. This trend line, price bounced from this area. What's going on? Something bad with my trading view, I see. Okay, okay. Arrow. Friends, I want to refresh my trading view because something bad going on, and as you see, I can draw tools. Okay, okay. Few seconds. Oh my God, what's going on? It looks like there are some problems, some issues with trading views. That's why we will use something different. Okay, okay. Let's speak about. Yeah, let's speak about your USD here. As you see, price come back into this area, into this trend line. Huge chance, huge chance. I want to close it. That price can make a pullback from this area. Few seconds. I want to try to draw it here on trading you. Good. Mm, the best will be if the price on 1 hour chart will show such picture near this level, something like this. For us, it will be a really good place to open by entry because we near key level. Uh, why we should open entries near key levels? Low risk and potential reward in few times bigger. That's why pay attention on your USD on this level. That's all. Because if the price will make a fake broke, it will be a good signal. The price will make something like this: first cycle up, pull back, and second cycle up. And that second cycle could be even to this or even to this high. That's why friends wait or how price will react on tail of this on this tail. Write into the comments, is it clear about Euro USD? Maybe you have some questions which I need to clarify. Dear friends, do you have some questions? Just write it into the chat. That's all. Okay, understood. Let's go to British pound. British pound, as we see, made this head and shoulders. Wait how the price will react on this level, because near this level could be something really interesting. Near that level, price can make a fake broke and start a powerful up move. Only near this level we will have some good entry. Also, let's open daily candle. Yes, this level is closer to what we have. Um, we need to find how price will react. If the daily candle or 4 hour candle will broke up that level, will break up that level down. After pullback, there will be a good sell entry. At this moment, only near this level, I see good opportunity. Fake broke or sell after breakdown. USD, Japan yen. Price moving many days in this range, and everything changed. Take a look on this currency pair, how it looks in this range, and it doesn't look really healthy to trade in the next week. That's why I do not recommend to trade Japan yen at this moment, because we don't know where price uh, will make a strike. We need to wait when price will broke up this range, and after pullback, that will be a really best entry. Next currency pair, Canadian dollar. Canadian dollar. The same stuff. Huge chance on pullback. After that, price can continue rise to this area, into this area. Best entry will be here until after pullback near this mirror level. It's hard to explain about Canadian dollar because I don't see really something beautiful there. About Australia, Australian dollar already made a fake broke of this low. Uh, I will need to see how Monday will open, because if Monday will open above it, that will be a good buy signal to for a rise. Because price, as you see, near this key level. Um, Near this level, we will have stop loss 15 pips, and potential profit will be first this high and this high, or even this high. That's why it will be the best place. Also, if we will see something like this, a little accumulation, and after that rise up, that will be the best buy entry ever on this currency pair. Guys, is it clear about currency pairs? Maybe you need something to clarify. Japanese yen is just continue down rise. Price uh, near this low. There is no entry at this moment because there could be entry only if the price will make drop down, and after pullback we will be able to open sell to continue. But huge probability we will need to pay attention what will British pound do, because if British pound will hit previous low, will make a fake broke, huge probabilities that this currency pair and British pound will rise together, rise up. Mm, I'm searching. As you see here, price didn't make a fake broke of key level and drop down. At this moment, there is no good entry, and uh, I will need to see how price will react on this low. But better will be to open entries if the New Zealand dollar will rise, will move down to October low. Near October low will be really best place to open entry. Also, as you see, I have a pen and hour here. If something, if price will come there, I will open entry. Okay, Euro Australian dollar and Australian Euro versus Australian dollar. Yes, as you see, price came into to this key level, made a pullback. Let's open. Let's take a look what happened after that. Mm, this level we had a second top. That's why huge chance that price will drop down from this area. That will be really best place to open sell because price nearly key level from left side. Uh, Really good opportunity to open sell. First goal will be near this area. Second goal will be near this area. And also about Euro New Zealand dollar. Okay. Euro New Zealand dollar. Let's build key levels for a start. You need to understand that huge probability that price euro in New Zealand dollar and Australian dollar will will have the same move together. That's why huge probability if euro Australian dollar will make a little bit rise, and after that they together will drop down. But if be honest, on euro New Zealand dollar, there is no powerful levels from which price can make something, because take a look here. We had this key level and price made a pullback. After that, we see this trend. Huge chance that this uptrend will continue. But after pullback, price can make 100, 200 pips pullback down, and after that, rise. Okay, let's go to gold. I think it's enough with currency pairs. Let's open gold and what could be the next on gold, because gold is really interesting. First, what you need to see is that price made a fake broke of all this area. All guys who was here were stopped, all their stop losses were hit. Because many people who open buy, they also were stopped, and guys who open sell nearly this level were stopped also after such powerful uprise. That's why what we can do is the next and trade really good. Best place to open entry will be after some pullback near this mirror level, because take a look how many times the price bounced from that level. After such pullback, just open sell. Huge chance that price will test this key area, and that is how many? It's more than 200 pips which you can take. It's best opportunity at this moment. To speak about something else, it's hard. It's really hard on gold currently. Also, what about oil? On oil, the same stuff. Take a look. Price in this range, in this accumulation. Price in this accumulation also, this level was near this low. Huge chance that price will hit this high. That's why take a look on these lines, on these trend lines. Huge chance that oil will rise up from this point to this area. After that, it depends how price will react on this level, because if the price will break it up, fixable after pullback, will be huge possibilities that price will rise up and compensate all this powerful downmove. Friends, write into the chat what questions you have at this moment. Maybe you need some help. Just write it, and I'll do it for you. Just write if you need, if you have some question or help. Okay. How you wrote New Zealand Swiss franc and New Zealand Japanese yen? Okay. Price. Take a look. The price really made a powerful down move, and best will be if the price will hit this level. Near that level will be really the best place to open a long-term entry. It will be really the best. At this moment, if you have sell, just hold it, because such currency pairs like New Zealand cross currency pairs better to trade near daily powerful levels on daily chart. And Swiss franc. Swiss franc is moving opposite to Euro USD. And also take a look on this, and on this is this accumulation. Price broke it up, and now is rising. At this moment, price in short-term uptrend. In short term, only when the price will make something like this, we will have good sell entry. Main trend is down. Main trend is down, but you can open entry only near this level, 0.99604. After some pullback, you can open buy with goal nearly this high. And if the price will break down this key level, you will be able to open sell to continue down move. Mm, okay, and let's. We spoke about gold, oil, and let's open some indexes. Let's open some indexes also, or better to open all indexes and take a look what's going on. S&P 500. S&P 500 still a huge chance of on uprise, because take a look. Powerful uptrend. Price tried to make a pullback, but as you see, how many candles bounced. Also, new trend line. A huge chance that price will rise up. That's why after pullback down, you can open by entry with all risk and potential reward in few times bigger. Also about DAX, German index, situation is the same. Take a look how many times daily candle bounced from this area. That's why huge chance that price still will rise up and will continue up more. That's why friends trade it wisely. I love indexes, but indexes is the best to trade near key levels because stop loss low and potential reward in many times bigger. Okay, Euro British Fund. Okay. hmm First, as always, build key levels. Still a huge chance that price will rise up and will continue up more. First goal will be this tail from which price made this those down drop. It's the first goal which we will be able to achieve. Okay. Okay. What else? And also, what other instrument we can see? To be honest, it's summer in US and Europe, and in such times, sometimes better to have a rest and do nothing. And let's open crypto, some cryptocurrencies because major cryptocurrencies. Uh, yes, I did USD Japanese yen. You'll be able to see it if you will scroll it, and it's too. I don't need to. Okay. Bitcoin about Bitcoin on TradingView, I wrote an idea yesterday about buy nearly this level. Still a huge chance that price will continue uprise because take a look on Bitcoin. What happened a few days ago? Um, this price made this accumulation. Every low become higher. Take a look on this key level. Price broke up everything fixable, and now we have uprise. That's why. That's why after some pullback you can open buy on Bitcoin because still it looks like the price will rise up to 10,000 USD per one Bitcoin. After that could be really powerful drop down. Other major cryptocurrency pair, Ripple, Ripple. What about Ripple? Ripple also under this trend line. If the price will break it up, huge chance to rise up. But best entry would be after some pullback into this area. This will be best place to open by entry because as you see, price in this huge range. When you trade range, best strategy is to open entry near border of the range. Okay, about if Ethereum, take a look on this. Price also bounced from this area. Take a look how many times price was in this accumulation. Huge chance that Ethereum will rise up even from this area because after this accumulation, price rise up, made a pullback and bounced it from the buy area. That's why if you have buy position, just hold it. And what is really interesting is Litecoin because Litecoin just rising without deep pullbacks, and it looks like price will rise up to 182 USD per one Litecoin. Also, take a look how volumes rising, especially this on the bottom. Take a look on this rise at volume and rise it is this volume, rise it volume, rise it volume. It looks like someone hold it. That's why after pullback, After pullback to some area, after pullback to some zone, what you need to do is to open some buy entry and hold it till first really powerful goal it will be before this key area. I do not trade volatility index, excuse me, I will not be able to help you with that. British pound, Australian dollar, okay, let's British pound, Australian dollar. It's really it's situation really interesting because take a look. A few days ago, price was nearly this key level and didn't hit it. At this moment, there is no good place to open entry because a really powerful level is here on this currency pair, and above about upper levels there is no good levels upside. That's why. Uh, Wait if the price will make a fake broke of this level and just open buy. That's all. Also, friends, if you're interested in my education VIP signals, where what I provide education VIP signals and account management on profit sharing basis with protection. No one in trading provided. Take a look on my last take a look on my last results for the last week, for accounts which I manage for my clients, and together it's more than 10,000 USD per 1 week. Just imagine per 1 week. I can teach you how to do it. Also, I can send you all my entries which I open my personal account, and I can manage your account on profit sharing basis with protection. That's why write to me in these messengers or using these contacts, and we will do everything together. If you want to join, just write and ask what exactly you want to join. Okay, friends, thank you for your time. Have a great trading. Bye.